Hello, my name is Darren Hart, Senior Service Technician with Raypak. After watching this video, you will be able to install the D2 power vent on our Raypak pool heater. The tools and materials you will need are a drill with a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver, 5/16 inch nut driver, needle nose pliers, wire nuts, and a multimeter for testing your voltage. Before you begin, verify you have the proper power vent to match the supply voltage of the unit you are working on. Raypak offers a pre-wired 120 volt and a 240 volt power vent. If you've already installed the D2 power vent and need to convert it from 240 VAC to 120 VAC, watch the Raypak D2 power vent 120 VAC conversion video. This video is intended for heater modification prior to installation. If you are working on a heater that is already in place, verify the following before starting. Turn off the power source at the main breaker. The gas has been shut off to the unit and the system pump has been shut off. Before you begin, verify you have 120 or 240 volts by checking across the two incoming wires. If you find that you have 208 volts, contact a licensed electrician to have the voltage corrected, and then proceed with this instruction. Using your fingers or the flat blade screwdriver, remove the knurled thumb screw on the door assembly. Pull the door assembly off and set it aside. Remove the 4 Phillips screws that hold the control panel to the heater and lower the control panel. If this is a retrofit application, remove the existing pagoda top, indoor or outdoor stack, and discard it. Using your drill or screwdriver, remove the 6 Phillips screws that hold the jacket top to the heater. Lift the jacket top off the heater and set it aside. Using the 4 screws supplied with the D2, assemble the collar and adapter plate together. The adapter slopes from the front to the rear to align with the top of the flue collector. Insert the complete collar adapter. Verify that it is in place by shifting side to side. Depending on your model size, the adapter plate will line up to either the outside edge or the recessed brackets underneath the adapter plate. Lower the jacket top onto the heater and reinstall the 6 Phillips screws. If you're installing on a model 206, 207, 336, or 337, turn the power vent upside down. Using a 5/16 inch nut driver, relocate the mounting brackets as shown, then continue with the installation. Place the power vent on top of the heater so that the collar adapter slips into the power vent. Push in all 4 bracket tabs so the power vent locks into position. You may need to use a screwdriver or other small tool to depress the 4th bracket tab. On the left side of the heater, remove the plug, then install the outdoor conduit through the hole. On the left side of the control panel, remove and replace the plug with the provided grommet. Route the 24 VAC harness through the grommet. Continue to route the harness down through any available grommet hole in the bottom of the control box. Pull the yellow-black wire off the MVPV terminal on the gas valve and connect to the yellow-black wire on the wire harness supplied with the D2 power vent. Plug the yellow-black wires from the harness into the MVPV terminal. Next, pull the violet-black wire off the MV terminal on the gas valve and connect to the violet-black wire on the wire harness supplied with the D2 power vent. Plug the violet-white wire into the MV terminal at the gas valve. For professional heaters model 268 and 408, you may need to reroute the flexible conduit to either side of the power vent depending on the location of the transformer or flow switch. Using a 5/16 inch nut driver, remove the transformer cover located on the right side of the heater. Remove the plug. Install the right side outdoor conduit through the top hole located on the right side of the heater. Wire the power lines for the heater and the D2 power vent to the supply power. For 240 volts, black, red, and green are used. The green is the ground. For 120 volts, white, black, and green are used. The green is the ground. Reinstall the transformer cover. Reinstall the 4 Phillips screws that hold the control panel to the heater. Reinstall the front door assembly. Turn the power, gas, and system pump on. For more information about this product, visit us at raypak.com. Please subscribe to the Raypak channel on YouTube for additional how-to videos.